Hello everyone, I'm Greg Feldman. I want to welcome you to the GOA class, Genocide and Human Rights. Give you a brief overview of the class. We look at human rights in the past, present, and how to prevent it in the future, preventing abuses. The class starts with an overview of the history of modern human rights. Then we look at genocides of the 20th century. The Armenian genocide, the Holocaust, genocides in Cambodia, Rwanda, Congo, and Darfur. And then we talk about how to prevent genocide and human rights abuses in the future. The class consists of short readings, watching documentaries, video lectures, working on projects individually and in groups, and we'll talk with each other probably every other week on Zoom. We'll have students from all over the world. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. I teach at Polytechnic School in Pasadena, California, and I hope you enjoy this class. Thank you very much.